because my customers are extreme customers. So we are in a business where my one customer is a truck driver, and we are specifically in a used vehicle finance bit, not in new vehicle, where we want a driver to have aspiration to become owner. Chalak se malak we call. So we have that customer with us. And my second product is deposits, where senior citizens are my customers. Okay. So when as we are the solution has to be very context sensitive, and as is rightly mentioned, it is work in progress. Okay. So how we arrive at the journey, um, we have advantage of having almost 20,000, 25,000 plus feet on street guys. Okay. And effectively they become our touch point for this customer. Okay. So when we started this journey, the digital journey around 10-15 years back, we ensured that what is required for the customers, as you rightly mentioned, user experience, customer experience is very critical. And though when I say it's a truck driver or a senior citizen, believe me, they are more tech savvy than the millennials today. Okay. Like my truck drivers, when we ask what is your requirement, we interviewed more than 5,000 customers at different area, and they says कि आपने वो ad देखा है टीवी पे, a person on toll, his that FASTag has been finished and he just clicks and he moves on. So he says मेरा all transaction should happen when I was standing in the queue of toll.
So the expectations are
The
high.
expectations are high. Okay. And now it is on us how to simplify those things, a gamification, because these guys are continuously on the wheel.
Correct.
And it's good for us, they are continuously
So
on the wheel.
ease, instant gratification, the ask is pretty much what a millennial would have.
And then it's not only a vehicle finance for me, it is effectively to develop the entire ecosystem for him. So if a truck is running on the road, I need to ensure that he should concentrate only that his vehicle is running. The entire working capital part, as I mentioned, toll, fuel financing, tire financing, insurance. So we need to integrate entire ecosystem and give him a simplified experience to ensure that he should concentrate only on his business effectively, which in turns, we always says, lending is a business of collection. We should ensure that he runs his business effectively and pay us effectively. So all his requirements are as simple that just click and things should happen. And he was rightly mentioned that the language, because these truck drivers, they want in the multilingual things, and the phones they have with them. So most of our technology are OTP based technology, though we are in a process to have apps and everything, but they prefer to have OTP based technology, simplified technology, because they don't have time. Okay, time is very key to them. So they are standing in a fuel station, they just say give me OTP, fill the fuel, a working capital loan is created, they will move ahead. They don't know what has happened at the back end. Okay, so that simplification is very key to us. And the other thing I said is the senior citizen, where the approach is totally different. They need more assisted approach. Okay, because they want to understand what's going on. They want to have some time touch and feel also, because being the senior citizen guys, they want to know. There are people, they want to say कि even we are doing a lot of video calling, video PDs and everything. They say आपका branch दिखाओ हमें. Okay, so the entire customer is again a context sensitive. So my solution for my deposit customer is different. Solution for truck driver is different, and it's a learning process. It's not something we are stop at somewhere. It's daily changing.
Correct.